Very good morning, class. This is lecture number 5th of chapter number 6 sets. Today we are going to discuss the two topics, very important topics, intersection and union of two sets. Okay, I have written something here that intersection and union, two parts we have. Okay, समझते क्या होता है intersection और union. Let हमारे पास दो सेट है A and B. Set A have elements 1 to 8 and set B have element 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, intersection means you have to take out the common part from both of the sets. Okay, so common part 2, 4, 6, 8 here and here 2, 4, 6, 8. So intersection of A and B means we can write it as A intersection B, or this is the sign of intersection, symbol of intersection, and we have intersection of A and B is 2, 4, 6 and 8. ओके, वेरी सिंपल. अगर हम इसको वेन डायग्राम से रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहें, ओके, वेन डायग्राम से अभी करते हैं. देन यूनियन मीन्स इफ यू हैव सेट सी एंड हैविंग एलिमेंट ए टू आई, ए बी सी डी एफ जी एच आई, एंड सेट डी हैविंग एलिमेंट ए ई आई ओ यू, मीन्स ऑल द वोवेल्स. ओके, सो सी यूनियन डी. ओके, सी यूनियन डी, यूनियन इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय यू. ओके, एंड इंटरसेक्शन इज inverted U. Okay, C union D is the set of all the element of C and D which are not repeating. Okay, not repeating means A 2 times, E 2 times and I 2 times. Okay, we have to take I, A, E and I only one time. Okay, so we have element A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, O and U. Yes or no? So these are the element of union of C and D, and these are the element of intersection of A and B. A and B means common part, and C and D means union, means whole part. Okay, if you represent A union B like this, so sorry, A intersection B. So intersection means common part 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, these are 2, 4, 6, 8. Let we have this is A and B, so remaining are 2, 4, 6, 8 are the part of this, and rest of the element of A 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so A contain, circle A contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and circle B contain the element 4 element 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, I think this is clear now. Now we have Venn diagram for union. Okay, the common element A, E, I are inserted between this common part A, E, I. Okay, A, E, I common, so these are. Now C, so this is C and D are two sets. Okay, we have A, then B, C, D, E already. Okay, F, Z, H. So total number of element in set C are sets are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In element D, sorry, in set D, we have A, E, I, O, U. So O, U are the remaining two elements. Okay, I think now this is clear by Venn diagram that we have. Okay, this is shown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 element of A, 2, 4, 6, 8 element of B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I element of C, and A, E, I, O, U element of D. The common part, total whole part is this. Okay, no one is repeated here, and here also no element is repeated. So these are the basic representation of intersection and union of two sets. Okay, now we are going to discuss the exercise on the basis of these two. So let us start with the question first of exercise C. Okay, first we have the element first zeta 1 to eta or zeta, either you can say this sign. Okay, symbol 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A having element 1, 2, 3, 4, B 2, 4, 6, 8, C 2, 3, 7, D 3, 6, 9, E having element 5. Okay, we have to find out A union B. Okay, we are discussing this question. Okay, completely question number first. First we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now we have second set A. Set A having 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Then B having element 2 4 6 8. 2 4 6 and 8. C, okay, C having element 2 3 7. 2 3 and 7. The last one is D having 3 6 9. One more, set E having an element, okay, that is set. Now the first question, A union B. First question is A union B. It means we have to add the element of A and B. A 1 2 3 4 and B 2 4 6 8. Okay, common only one time. Okay, we have to write common element of any two sets only one time in the union of set or intersection of set. So we have element 1 2 3 4 6 8. Okay, very simple. Okay, don't repeat the element in the union of sets. Second question, B union C. B 2 4 6 8. 2 is repeated, so we have to write it as 2. Okay, 3 4 6 7 8. Total number of element 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Third question. Third question is C union D. C union D means C and D. 2 is repeated, 3 repeated, so 2 3 6 7 and 9. Total element 3 plus 3 6 and 3 is repeated, so total element are 5. Okay, now fourth part is D union, that is 5. Okay, so D union 5. So okay, E, in E we have 5. 5 means 0 element. Okay, so we have D union 5 as the number of element in D and 5. 5 is 0, so number of element in D are 3 6 and 9. Okay, next fifth one, A union D. Do by yourself, A union D. Okay, sixth one is B union D. B and D. Okay, only 6 is repeated, so total number of element are 6. Okay, do by your own. Seventh and fifth and sixth. Now A dash. A dash is very important. Okay, A dash means complement of A. Seventh part, A dash means complement of A. Complement of A means जो एलिमेंट A में है उनको छोड़ के बाकी एलिमेंट को हम समझ। टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट हमने सेलेक्ट करके इस सीटा से, और ईटा इज द यूनिवर्सल सेट। यूनिवर्सल सेट में से हमने सारे एलिमेंट सेलेक्ट किए, ऐसे 1 2 3 4 ए के एलिमेंट, 3 6 एंड 9 डी के एलिमेंट, 2 3 7 2 3 एंड 7 सी के एलिमेंट, बी के एलिमेंट 2 4 6 8 2 4 6 8 सारे एलिमेंट हमने इसमें सेलेक्ट करके अब हमको ए डैश निकालना है। ए डैश मींस कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ ए। कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ ए मींस जो एलिमेंट ए में नहीं है वो सारे एलिमेंट यहाँ पर आ जाएंगे। इट मींस वी हैव 5 6 7 8 and 9 is the answer. Okay, very simple. I had already discussed about the complement of a set. Complement of set means universal set minus the set. Means complement of A means universal set minus set A. तो जो भी एलिमेंट बचे 1 2 3 4 subtract करके 5 6 7 8 9 is the remaining element. Okay. Now the B dash. B dash. B dash means universal set minus b 2 4 6 8 2 4 6 8 remove 2 4 6 8 so we have b dash equal to 1 3 5 7 9. Next we have ninth question, a dash union b dash, a dash union b dash, very important and simple. A dash 5 6 7 8 9, b dash 1 3. Okay, repeated element in a dash and b dash are 1 3 5. Okay, then 7 and then 9. So we have to write these element only one time. So we have 1 3 5 6 7 8 9. Total number of element 5 plus 5 10. 3 are repeated, so total number of element are 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Last part, 10th part, A union B, A union B whole dash. It means first of all we have to find out A union B. A union B is, can you find out A union B? Yes, easily. 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are the repeated elements, so we have to write these elements only one time. Okay, 1 2 3 4 6 and 8. Very important question. Okay, first of all we have to find out A union B. So A union B is this. Now we have to find out A union B dash, means complement of A union B. So complement of A union B means we have to subtract these elements from this set. 1 2 3 4 6 8. So remaining element are 1 2 3 4 6 8. So 5 7 9 are the answer of this question. 5 7 9. I repeat. Okay, first of all we have to find out A union B, because we have to find out complement of A union B. So first of all we have to know about that. What is, first of all you have to know that what is A union B. A union B is 1 2 3 4, means we have to add all the element and no one is repeated. So 1 2 3 4 6 8. 1 2 3 4 6 and 8. A union B. Now complement of A union B means universal set minus A union B. So we have to subtract 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 6 8. Then remaining are the 5 6 and 5 7 and 9. So this is the answer. Now I think this is very simple. Okay, so this is the most important question of the exercise 1C, and this is also the conceptual basic question. Okay, if you have any doubt, then please repeat the video. Okay, then question number second. Okay, the length of the video is too much, so we will discuss the rest of the question in next lecture. Okay, thank you so much.